Okay, so there is two quick update I have for you guys for today to how you can working with the order list section and how you can customize it. So let's go to the open the application and go to the orders so you can see my orders are here. So the first update, you can customize your order list. A lot of feedback I got from the different user that some of these cards is too big, so we need to have an option to customize these cards and maybe remove some of this content here. So what's gonna do, we have a new option here is called order customizer. When you click on it, so there is a new list here, and then you can basically customize whatever you want to see in the order list. For example, I just wanted to remove the total. I removed the payment method and then shipping method, maybe customer note, and I think that's it. Maybe product item method. And then when I come back to the order list, what I see here is to my order list is more compact now. So if it is still is too high for me or is need to be more compact, I go back to the list customization and then or list customizer and then disable the product image here. So what I see here is very compact list, and if I want to go to the order detail, I just click on the order title here and then it's open the orders. It's much easier than to see a very big list there. Another option I wanted to show you, there is a feedback I got from some user that they wanted to have some custom field on the list. So for example, there is a tracking number or the I don't know the origin destination when the user come from, and they wanted to see on the list. So we have an option here. If you go to the custom fields, you see all of the custom fields related to this order, and then you can pin one of the custom fields to the all order. So for example, I have a device type, I wanted to pin it on the order by clicking here, or for example another attribute here, I wanted to be in the order and just click it to pin and then save it. So what's happened when I be coming back to the order list, you will see this attribute always here. It's very nice feature when you wanted to see some more detail on your order list. And the good things about this, when you go back to the dashboard or even you close the application and come back to the order list, the design you ask is just saved forever. So there is no problem. You don't need to come back and then customize it again. It will save inside the app. And you also can come back to the list customizer and then put it on the default by clicking the select all here, and then it's back to the default version. So hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let us know if you have any other feedback or question. Thank you.